Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to Cardano video update. I posted one video 4 months ago and I said that, can Cardano down to 60%, to where I got some, some not possible comments, and some people were saying yes, it could actually go down. So I want to show you this video previously.
To the weekly time frame right here, you made a bear flag, and these bear flag technical targets take you all the way from this place to that place, and we are on a journey for Cardano to go all the way down to 0.128, and that's going to be a very big discount from there to there. 63%.
Right, so 63% is what the move I was talking about. So that was 4 months ago, and of course we're looking at a higher time frame on a weekly time frame. So that's the reason why it definitely took a lot of time. So all you did for Cardano is, you went to the downside, you try to come up and retest the flag itself, got rejected at the flag, and you can see it's pretty much from there a chaos, and you just kept on going to the downside. So who knows, it can actually take even several more months to actually drop all the way down here. Yeah, so it's on a journey. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So if you ever see Cardano somehow makes it up to 0.68, because it's when you talk about the bearish side of it, you must look at the bullish side of it as well. So we need Cardano to get above 0.68, which is actually 68 cents, and if it gets above 68 cents, then you have bottomed out. For me personally, you're going to be looking to make a bottom for Cardano. So yeah, at the moment you're looking for Cardano to still continue to go down to that particular price target. Okay, so don't get bullish, trade on a confirmation of breakout here if you want to go to the bullish side of it. Otherwise, this is just a downtrend. Lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, like this. You're gonna go up and down, continue, and maybe by next year bottom out if you continue with the same speed to the downside. Or who knows, we could be looking for that last capitulation down very quickly to that particular price target, and who knows, go back up. I don't know if you try to buy here and it goes back up to its all-time high, which is actually $3.5, that can actually be a price increase of what, nearly 14.52%, which I don't think it's too much for me personally, considering how every other single coin out there is looking amazing. But anyway, let's see what happens. Can you actually go down there and bottom out, or are you gonna be looking to go even way more lower? I don't know, but it's pretty much clear that you do have 0.1971 as your technical target. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Cardano. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.